it's Tamsin here at Beginners Quilting Hub, and I'm here with a little unboxing video for you today. A very quick couple of minutes just to show you inside the latest purchase that I bought from Missouri Star. And it is a kit that I purchased rather than one that I received as a Missouri Star partner. It's just arrived today, so I'm going to unbox it. Let's get it out of the box. Oh, so this is called the Magic Garden, the Good Tidings kit. They actually released this pattern as a block of the month with different fabrics. I think they were kind of red, green and orangey fabrics. And they've now released this as a Christmas version of the quilt. And literally as soon as I saw it, I had to have it. Oh wow, look, there's the quilt there on the back. Isn't that stunning? So let's open it up and I will show you what's inside. So opening the box, you can see this is a really big box. You get all the patterns that you would have got with the block of the month. They also give these really smart little folders when they do any of their block of the months. And it's like a little pattern keep, so you can pop all your pattern pieces in there. There's a Magic Garden Christmas fabric key. So I think, let's have a look. Yeah, so this is the block of the month, the Getting Started guide. And you can see on the back here, let's give a nice close up. Those were the original colours on the block of the month programme. How many months was this? I'm not sure how many months this was. Hang on, let's see how many. So it was 7. The 7 patterns. So this was a 7-month programme to build this quilt. Inside is the fabric key for the block of the month. Now, if you did the block of the month, you would have received a pattern and the material every month to make your quilt. I've ordered it as a complete kit to make now that the block of the month is finished, and I'm going to be making in the Christmas fabrics. So they've sent me a colour key here. I don't know if that's picking up on the camera, but it's got all the fabric letters, which type of fabric it is, the colour key, and then the block that it's going to be in. So this will replace this. So I will just keep this inside here, and this is what I will use to refer to when I'm making each month. So you then get 7 patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, for the 7 months. Each month is a different block. So we've got, I mean, that's the Missouri Star kind of logo block, isn't it? That's cute. That's in the middle. And then you've got all of these to work through month by month. There's more than one block needed. So I think some of them you need to make a handful of each. You need to make different amounts of them. I love this block. Really like that block. That's a cool one as well. It's like a friendship star with a pinwheel. And then this is the final one. So this is month 7 and the finishing. And then you get all of the fabric. I'm going to take it out of this bag and then we can have a look at it. There we go. You don't want the crunching on the camera. So you get, these look like layer cake squares of all the different fabrics. So this massive part at the bottom, oh, let's just find where it ends here. These are all the same. Yeah, so there's loads and loads here of squares of the background fabric. Oh, this is so you can make all of your blocks and use the background. And then you've got this massive pile of 10-inch squares of all the different colours. So I'm just going to flick through. I'm not going to show you every fabric, don't worry. I'm just going to show you the main different colours. So there's this green. There's this one that's got like a really nice gold shimmer. Quite a few of those. Let's flick through those. Oh, this is my favourite one. Look at that. It's got really cute. This has got holly leaves and holly berries. Lovely. So there's lots of them. Oh, this is pretty. This quilt is going to have so much movement through it because of the just the different subtle changes in the colours. Look at that one. That's gorgeous. Then there's this one, which again has got the gold through it. And then this is a red version. Got some yardage of the green. I'm assuming this is possibly for borders. And some yardage of that lovely white speckledy gold and cream fabric. So my kit has arrived. I just need to figure out a schedule now to actually get this made. and decide whether I want to try and make it before Christmas or whether that's going to be a little bit outside of my reach. But we'll have a think about it. But I just wanted to show you what was inside. I know that lots of you have ordered this, having heard that I've ordered it. So we're going to see how we all get along. I don't think I'm going to do it as a sew along because I think I just want to kind of do it in the background at my own pace, and I suspect you guys might too. But I'm grateful for everyone that bought it using my links, because it shows Missouri style that I'm sending people their way, and it shows me that you're enjoying what I'm showing you. Yeah, that's all. I was just going to jump in, show you the kit and run away again. I hope you're having a great day, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.